Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. 64-bit processor, TPM2, 0, secure boot enabled, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB disk. This avoids surprises. Once confirmed, backup critical files to an external drive or cloud so you can restore if needed. Make sure you sign in with an admin account. Then download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and right-click to run as administrator. This elevates permissions and allows the tool to check compatibility and begin the upgrade immediately. Once the assistant launches, accept the user account control prompt so it can run required checks. The tool performs a PC health check, resolve any flagged issues before proceeding. Then follow prompts to accept the license and choose Restart Timing. You can schedule or proceed now. When files download, monitor progress and allow the assistant to install feature updates. Expect one or more automatic restarts. Make sure your device is plugged into power and connected to the internet during the entire operation. After the final restart, complete the out-of-box experience. Set region, sign into your Microsoft or local account, and configure privacy choices. This finalizes your profile and settings. Once on the desktop, open Device Manager and Windows Update to install the latest drivers and patches. This prevents stability problems. If something goes wrong, write down any error code shown. Once done, retry using the Media Creation tool or perform a rollback to your previous version to troubleshoot further, which preserves your files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.